Now I will discuss about salt. What are salts? When any acid react with base, then salt is formed as a product. Then no doubt salt is formed as a product. It means salt is the combination of cation and anion. ये वो स्पीसीज है जो कैटायन और एनायन के आपस में कॉम्बिनेशन से फॉर्म होती है. ओके, सच स्पीसीज आर काउंटेड अंडर सॉल्ट. क्लियर? एंड देयर ओरिजिनेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस. जब कोई एसिड और बेस आपस में मिलता है तो जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है वो साल्ट ही होता है. एंड साल्ट हैज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैटायन एंड एनायन. मींस if you place salt along with water, then it will dissociate into ions, means cation as well as anion. Okay, clear? For example, as Na2CO3, clear? Al2SO4 whole thrice, Al2SO4 whole thrice, CaSO4, etc. All these are counted under salt. Why? Suppose take the example as for Na2CO3. This is the salt. Why? In aqueous state, it will dissociate into cation and anion, Na positive as well as CO3 minus 2 on the basis of balancing. ये balancing CO3 balancing 2 होती थी, यहाँ लिखा गया. इसकी 1 होती थी सर, and now you can balance. This is cation and this one is the anion. Means salt used to break into cation and anion along with water. Such species are known as salts. Clear? These are generated by the combination of acids and bases. There are different types of salts. Means there are a lot of categories of salt. For example, as salts of nitrate salt as NaNO3, KNO3, means sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate. This is the one of the category considered as a nitrate salt. Second category, sulfate salts as Al2SO4 whole thrice, etc. Means when any SO4 means SO4 minus 2 combined with any metal, then the related salt is counted as sulfate salt. By the same way, nitrate salt, sulfate salt, okay, and carbonate salt. Carbonate salt means in these salt, carbonate is present as a anion. Example as Na2CO3, CaCO3. Okay, clear? Next category as phosphate salt, means in this salt phosphate is present as a anion. Do you know the formula of phosphate? PO4 minus 3. Clear? As sodium phosphate, Na3PO4, sodium phosphate, calcium phosphate, Ca3PO4 whole twice. These are counted under the categories of phosphate salt. By the same way, phosphate oxalate salt are those salt in which oxalate is present as an anion. And do you know the formula of oxalate? C2O4 minus 2. Clear? As calcium oxalate balances 2, sodium oxalate Na2 C2O4 or calcium oxalate and so on. These are the different categories of salt. This classification make more confirmation about the information of different categories of salts. Right? Clear? Now I have to discuss the categories of salt. Category of salt on the basis of their pH scale. On the basis of their pH scale. सेकेंड कैटेगरी में डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं साल्ट के बारे में, और वो कैटेगरी किस पर बेस्ड है? इनके पीएच रेंज पर, मींस उनकी स्ट्रेंथ के आधार पर। वीक स्ट्रेंथ के आधार मींस एसिडिक साल्ट होंगे, बेसिक साल्ट होंगे या न्यूट्रल साल्ट होंगे। तो दिस इज द सेकेंड कैटेगरी ऑफ साल्ट, डिवीजन ऑफ साल्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ their nature. Clear? Division of salt on the basis of their nature means you can count as a nature of salts, or division of salt on the basis of their nature. On the basis of this point, salts are classified in 3 parts. Salt को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया गया है। आप समझने में हेजिटेट ना करिए अपने आप को, बहुत इजी है, क्योंकि हम किसी टॉपिक को जब पढ़ रहे होते हैं और इंटरनली फीलिंग डेवलप करने की, इट इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड दिखने लगता है। कोई भी टॉपिक है वो कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं होता है, इट यूज टू डिपेंड माई फीलिंग। सो ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक यू हैव टू रियलाइज एट ए सिंपल टॉपिक, देन नो डाउट इट मस्ट बी सिंपल फॉर यू। Clear? About the nature of salt, first category, acidic salt. First category we are going to discuss about acidic salt. Those salt whose aqueous solution is acidic are known as acidic salt. उनका चेक तो आसानी से कर सकते हो, लिटमस पेपर से देख सकते हो, उनकी पीएच वैल्यू से देख सकते हो, बट हाउ विल यू कंफर्म देयर एग्जांपल्स? थ्योरेटिकली उनको कैसे आप करेंगे? प्रैक्टिकली यू कैन यूज अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट, बट हाउ विल यू प्रूव देम थ्योरेटिकली? डिफिनेशन तो सिंपल हुई कि दोज साल्ट्स व्हिच आर एसिडिक इन नेचर मींस उनके कांटेक्ट में यदि ब्लू लिटमस पेपर लाएंगे then that will turn into red. Example, you know. For example, as for example लिखने के बाद आप कहेंगे एग्जाम्पल तो लिख दिया, हम कैसे गेस करेंगे? बिकॉज एग्जाम्पल 1 2 नहीं होते, अनकाउंटेबल एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर। फॉर दिस पर्पज यू शुड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखना है, जानते हो क्या? acidic salts are formed. Acidic salts are formed by the combination of strong acid and weak base. इतना ध्यान रखें, किसी स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड की रिएक्शन वीक बेस से कराएंगे तो उसमें जो साल्ट बनेगा दैट इज काउंटेड एज एन एसिडिक साल्ट, क्योंकि उसके एक्वस स्टेट में उसका नेचर एसिडिक रहेगा, क्योंकि वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड से मिलकर बना है, और वीक बेस है तो उसका एक्सिस्टेंस सर्वाइव नहीं करेगा। एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज NH4Cl और अमोनियम सल्फेट और एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड एंड सो on. These are counted under acidic salt. Why and how? If we take the example of NH4Cl, why it is acidic in nature? Then you will make it dissociation along with water. It will dissociate NH4 positive as well as Cl negative. This is associated from NH4OH. Okay? And it is taken from HCl. ये जो NH4 पॉजिटिव है ये NH4OH से लिया गया है, और यहाँ पे जो Cl नेगेटिव है ये HCl से लिया गया है, और यहाँ पर NH4OH क्या है? सॉरी, NH4OH क्या है? This is the weak base. But what is HCl? This is the strong acid. तो जो सॉल्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड और वीक बेस से मिलकर बना है उसका एक्वस सॉल्यूशन का नेचर बेसिक होगा, सॉरी एसिडिक होगा. एंड फॉर सच सॉल्ट देयर pH मस्ट बी लेस देन 7. ऐसे सभी सॉल्ट के एक्वस सॉल्यूशन का pH 7 से कम होगा. राइट. सेकेंड कैटेगरी basic salts. About the basic salt, what do you know about the basic salt? Those salt whose aqueous solution is basic in nature are considered under basic salt. किसके अंदर काउंट किए जाएंगे? These are counted under basic salt. Clear? These are formed by the combination of strong base and weak acid. चूंकि बेसिक यदि है तो ये तो सब जानते हैं कि बेस और एसिड से मिलकर बने होते हैं साल्ट. यदि बेसिक है तो उसमें बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग रहा होगा, एसिडिक है तो उसमें एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग रहा होगा. ओके. फॉर एग्जांपल बेसिक साल्ट एज CH3 COO Na, CH3 COO Na. Clear? Just like next one is Na2 CO3, etc. A lot of. Let us take the example here. CH3CO Na. If you allow to CH3CO Na for the dissociation, then it will dissociate CH3COO negative plus Na positive. Okay? And it is formed from CH3COH, means it is taken from CH3COH, and this one is taken from NaOH. CH3CO is a weak acid, and here NaOH is a strong base. NaOH is a strong base. Ultimately, all those salts which are formed by the combination of such species are counted under basic salt. And third category is neutral salt. Third category of salt is neutral salt. You know about the neutral salts. What about the neutral salts? Those salts which are formed by the combination of strong acid and strong base. जो strong acid और strong base के combination से बनते हैं are considered under neutral salt because their aqueous solution is neutral in nature. Neutral in nature means neither acidic nor basic. ये जो यहाँ पर बेसिक सॉल्ट बताया था इनका पीएच क्या होगा? ग्रेटर देन 7 से अधिक होगा, और इनका पीएच एग्जैक्ट 7 होगा. एंड दीज आर फॉर्म बाय द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड एज वेल एज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. फॉर एग्जांपल For example, as NaCl, okay, K2SO4, etc. ये common salt है, NaCl. It is considered as a common salt, known as common salt, means known as NaCl, and allowed to break this salt into ions along with water. Then it will dissociate into Cl negative as well as Na positive. This one is taken from NaOH and this one is taken from HCl. This is a strong base and this is the strong acid. This is the part of strong base, this is the part of strong acid. Clear? Ultimately, those salts which are formed by the combination of such species, their aqueous solution must be neutral, means their pH must be 7. Such solutions are considered under neutral. Such salts are considered under neutral salt. Clear? कोई कंफ्यूजन? साल्ट्स भी हो गए, एसिड पहले डिस्कस कर चुके थे, बेसिस डिस्कस हुआ, साल्ट्स हुआ, देयर कैटेगरीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सोर्सेस, एंड सेकंड कैटेगरी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर स्ट्रेंथ. नाउ one point more, there is crystalline water. What do you mean by crystalline water? Very important point. Crystalline water. समझ रहे हैं? Don't feel tired to yourself. Don't feel tired to yourself. करने का निर्णय ले लो, कार्य स्वयं हो जाएगा. आप समझते तो चलिए. This phenomena and explanation make you perfect, and you will feel more and more pleasure in your exams, right? Next topic is crystalline water. What is this one? Crystalline water. Those water molecules which are attached with salt in with salts are counted as crystalline water. Clear? Those moles of water which are directly attached with a salt in their crystal form are known as crystalline water, because when limited number of moles of water attached with any salt, that will convert into crystal state, means solid crystalline form. That's why it is known as crystalline water. And related salt, one thing more, and related salts are known as hydrated salt. Related salts are known as hydrated salt. For example, as CuSO4 dot 5s2. CuSO4 dot 5s2. This is read as hydrated copper sulfate, and it has 5 moles of water as a crystalline water, and its common name is blue vitriol. Blue vitriol as ZnSO4 dot 5s2. Here zinc sulfate is salt and having 5 moles of water as a crystalline water. Clear? This is known as the hydrated salt, and common name of this salt is white vitriol by the same next FeSO4 dot 7s2 FeSO 4 dot 7 H2O. This is the hydrated ferrous sulfate. It has 7 moles of water as a crystalline water. And common name of this hydrated ferrous sulfate is green vitriol. Green has one more example. CaSO4.2H2. It has 2 moles of water as a crystalline water and known as hydrated calcium sulfate. And its common name is gypsum. Its common name is gypsum. These are hydrated salt and number of moles of water is known as crystalline water. Clear?